Okay, I've been working out here. I forgot to put the camera in, but I got, let me turn you around here. I got all, so bright there. See, all the curtains are down. There was blue curtains hanging down all the way around. And then I've gone around and gotten all these things off all the way around this way. Well, I'm working my way this way. Anyway, working on it. A lot of elbow grease that I didn't think this old lady had, but yeah, got all those off. So what I'm going to do is, these walls look kind of yellow, but I'm going to paint them all white. And then I don't know what kind of an accent color. I haven't really thought that far ahead, but I do already have white paint. So I'll get there. Okay, all window treatment things are off. Hard to see. Pretty nasty. There's all the tracks for the curtains. And just set the cabinet back here while we're cleaning. Anyway, all this kind of material, it's kind of a metal textured thing. I'm just going to paint white. And then where there's wallpaper out here, sorry, don't mean to make you dizzy, on this stuff here behind the sink, it's kind of a wallpapery thing. So I'm going to put wallpaper up there, paint it, I don't know what. Anyway, so that's what's happening so far. These cushions I've already taken off, they're in the washer. I'll take these off and do them next. And that's about it. Anyway, so that's where we're at.